We are here at Farmington High School at the open house and ribbon cutting ceremony, and we look to open our newest high school, Farmington High, with an innovative, progressive approach to education.
We have lots of growth in Davis County, no question about it. Davis High School is the size of a small junior college. Viewmont High School is overburdened. We had to build a building to educate students, so we went to the voters in 2015 and asked them whether we can get authorization from them to build this school as well as make renovations at other schools. I just want to thank voters for everything they continue to do to help us educate the students.
It's been great. The students have come in, they've said, I've never been more excited for school to start than I am this year. I liked the way that the building is set up to provide the flexibility and the movement for students within our classrooms, within our suites, within our composite labs, within our science labs. But it's been a lot of fun to start to create this new opportunity with this whole new building, this whole new legacy. But when it really gets fun is when the students start to walk in those doors and you start to see their eyes get big and you start to see their excitement. That's when the true fun starts.
So there's no official tours going on. I have just been answering questions and wandering around the school, being a welcoming face. I really like how the classrooms are very casual and it feels more like a college campus rather than a high school campus, which is something I love.
As far as the tour of the high school, what a wonderful atmosphere, building. We're beyond pleased with what we see.
It is so exciting to finally have students coming to the building. This is why we go into education, to finally have students come in, to see their excitement, to see how eager they are, and that makes us just that much more excited.